Alright, I'm gonna film this. What part of the mall is this in?
This is the Plaza. This is the
Plaza.
Cafe Court. This one not replaced, but there used to be an RT here with the escalators.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
This is like a Minnesota installed by some other company.
Yep.
It's nice brass finishes. Doors are big.
This used to have a really bad delayed start, like up to 7-8 seconds. Now it's like 3 seconds. We'll see.
I do like the motor this thing has. I got a very good motor. Does that even work? No, that doesn't even work. It just... Oh, wait, or maybe that's... Yeah. Alright, there goes my tip.